Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Fingal, a charming community in Southwold Township, Elgin County, Ontario. Situated about 12 kilometers southwest of St. Thomas, and near the north shore of Lake Erie, Fingal offers a blend of rich history and natural beauty. One of the most notable aspects of Fingal is its historical significance during World War II. The area was home to the RCAF Station Fingal, a major Air Force training base. Today, this site has been transformed into the Fingal Wildlife Management Area, spanning 700 acres. Visitors can explore approximately 40 kilometers of trails, complete with interpretive signs that delve into both the property's history and the diverse wildlife that now inhabits it. For those who appreciate outdoor activities, the nearby Big Creek National Wildlife Area offers a serene environment. Located just a short drive away, this area is renowned for its diverse wildlife and is a favorite spot for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. Whether you're a history buff eager to learn about its wartime past, or a nature lover looking to explore scenic trails, Fingal has something special to offer.
Thanks for watching!